The 2026 Audi SQ8 arrives as a high-performance, luxury SUV that picks up where its predecessor left off, but with subtle refinements across design, mechanics, and technology. Under the hood it retains a potent 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 which produces around 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque, offering a thrilling driving experience while still balancing everyday usability. Its performance is aided by mild hybrid assist to help efficiency when possible, and the 8-speed automatic transmission sends drive through Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system to ensure grip in various conditions. In terms of acceleration and top speed, the 2026 SQ8 is competitive for its class. It is capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.0 seconds, and its top speed is electronically limited to about 155 miles per hour, approximately equals 250 kilometers per hour. Fuel economy remains modest given the power on offer. Estimates hover around 15 mpg in the city, 21 mpg on the highway, and 17 mpg combined. To support towing needs, if equipped with the optional trailer hitch, the SQ8 can tow up to 7,700 pounds, making it one of the more capable high-performance SUVs in that regard. Visually, the 2026 SQ8 follows Audi's design evolution with aggressive styling cues that underline its sporty intent. The rear features quad exhaust tips framed within a bold diffuser, and the optional sport exhaust enhances the V8's audible presence. The chassis benefits from adaptive air suspension that adjusts to driving conditions, while available enhancements like a sport rear differential and electromechanical active roll stabilization further sharpen cornering behavior and reduce body lean. A four-wheel steering system is also offered, which helps at low speeds by steering rear wheels opposite to the fronts and improves stability at higher speeds when they steer together. Inside, the 2026 SQ8 delivers a suite of cutting-edge technology and premium features. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus offers up to a 12.3-inch customizable digital display with dedicated S-performance modes. The dual touchscreen MMI touch response system, with haptic feedback, handles infotainment, climate, and vehicle settings with intuitive operation. For audio enthusiasts, an optional 1920-watt Bang & Olufsen advanced 3D sound system with a 23-channel amplifier immerses passengers in high-fidelity sound. The SQ8 also offers a head-up display to project key information into the driver's line of sight, helping keep eyes on the road. On the safety and driver assistance front, the SQ8 packs modern features. Available night vision assistant uses thermal imaging to detect pedestrians or large animals ahead during nighttime driving, projecting warning imagery in the cockpit. Remote Park Assist Plus allows the SQ8 to maneuver itself into perpendicular or parallel parking spaces while the driver stands outside the vehicle and controls via phone. A top-view camera system complements this, aiding spatial awareness in tight environments. Additional active help includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise assist, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation systems, and more, all staples in the current luxury SUV segment. On the pricing and trim side, the base Premium Plus version of the 2026 SQ8 starts at around $99,700, while a more premium Prestige trim begins closer to $107,200 in the US market. Buyers can expect a 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty, with corrosion warranty extending to 12 years with unlimited miles. The SUV seating is configured for 5 occupants, and cargo capacity with seats upright is approximately 33.7 cubic feet, with more available when the rear seats fold. Though the SQ8 remains largely unchanged in its performance core, incremental enhancements in suspension tuning, driver aids, and feature offerings make the 2026 iteration more refined. Audi continues to leverage its hardware such as Quattro all-wheel drive and advanced chassis systems to deliver a balanced blend of power, luxury, and daily usability. In a world where many SUVs emphasize efficiency or electrification, The SQ8 upholds the tradition of unapologetic performance wrapped in a premium package.